Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Symmetry. This is 8th question of its exercise 13.2. So the question says that given here are figures of a few folded sheets and designs drawn about the fold. In each case, draw a rough diagram of the complete figure that would be seen when the design is cut off. So हमारे पास एक sheet है जो कि fold की हुई है. The half sheet is there and the half is back of the sheet. सो हमने इस पार्ट को हमने इससे कट कर लिया है. तो सेम जब हम शीट को फोल्ड करेंगे अगेन तो बैक साइड में भी यही कट होगा. सो ये हो जाएगा हमारा कट कुछ ऐसा. सो हमारी शीट हो जाएगी व्हेन वी अगेन ओपन इट समथिंग लाइक दैट. And then this sheet is also folded about this line. So this is the cut in the sheet. So this cut is also in the back side. When we open it, this cut is like, so when we open the sheet is just like that. So when we open the sheet, so the sheet is just looking like this. Thank you.